Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to create your own FaucetPay account so that you could also start gathering your cryptocurrencies for free from different cryptocurrency websites that are willing to pay you for the tasks that you're willing to complete for them. Just a few minutes, few seconds task, and then you're earning yourself Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Shiba coin, different kinds of cryptocurrencies. And then basically why you need a faucet pay. Everybody, every cryptocurrency lover or anyone who wants to earn cryptocurrencies online, basically by performing tasks and completing surveys or playing games and then earning free cryptocurrencies. If this is what you are interested in, then you obviously need to have a FaucetPay account. So this video I will show you how to create your own FaucetPay account and then how to start collecting bitcoins and start putting them into your FaucetPay account, and then later you transfer them to um, your Trust Wallet and then your Coinbase account. Alright, so if this is the first time of you coming across my channel, I'm Noble Boy Vision, and what I do with this channel is to basically talk about cryptocurrencies and how you can earn them for free from different platforms that actually offer them for free. I also talk about tech sometimes, and also explore generally on ideas that are able to fetch you some money online. Alright, so if this is the kinds of things that you like, do well to hit the subscribe button on my channel, and then you could like this video that you're watching so that YouTube can spread it across to a larger audience, and then hopefully get to help more people. So alright, so if you're watching this video, just all you need to do to sign up is click on the link at the description of this video, because I'll be attaching it there. Click on it and then it will take you straight to the FaucetPay official website where you need to sign in. But if you don't want to click on the link, it's still fine. You can head straight to Google and then just type in faucetpay.io, and it will bring you to this page right here. So what you need to do is to try and sign in. So what you basically be seeing is an interface like this, where you need to put in your username, and then you put in your email address, you repeat email address, your password, repeat password, and then you complete the terms and conditions by tracking it, and then you click on the captcha, and then you sign up. That's basically it. So after doing that, you basically be getting an email that asks you to confirm that you're signed up for it. So once you're done with that, you should be getting a dashboard that looks just like this. So I'll just log into my FaucetPay account so you can see how it looks like from when you're signed up from the inside. So I'm just going to complete this capture and then sign in. Alright guys, so this is the dashboard. Alright, so as you can see, I have in my FaucetPay has already given me all these wallets, cryptocurrency wallets, so that when I collect free cryptocurrencies, I can transfer them here. So when they amount to something tangible, I can then transfer them into my Trust Wallet and my Coinbase account. So if you look right here on my BTC, you see that I've already collected free BTC. That's worth up to 0.00000051. Alright, so this is the transaction history. I recently did that, and I'll show you how you also can start collecting free bitcoins free of charge. You don't have to pay for any of it, it's just free. And then all you need to do is know this legit website actually offer them. For this payment that I actually received in Bitcoin, it was actually given by this Faucet. That was the website that I collected it from. So but I'll make another video to show you how to do just that. Alright, so that's basically what I wanted you to know in this video, how to just set yourself up with this FaucetPay. As you can see, there are different cryptocurrency wallets that they've automatically created for me. There are just so many of them: Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Patreon, etc. So in my next video I'll be showing you how to collect free bitcoins and then transfer them into your FaucetPay account with live proof. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then leave a like for the video so that more people get to actually watch and then learn from it. Stay tuned.